2025 Ford F-150 cabin air filter. It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we're going to need to lower that or actually take the door off. We're going to go ahead and push these in on both sides, and once we do that, it's going to allow us to kind of drop the glove box down a little bit, and then we can remove it by just grabbing it, pulling on it. You can take it off its hinges like so. And the cabin filter is located in this box right here. If you come over here with your finger and pull, you'll disconnect the little lock that it has on this door. I'll show you what that looks like. Looks like this on both sides. It's got pretty much the same thing. These little feet go into these grooves right here. You just pull out your filter. I actually don't have a new one. I haven't got it approved by my customer yet. I might be able to get this one approved. I'm gonna go ahead and show him some pictures, see if he wants to change it or not. But if you need one, I have a link in the description box where you can pick up a premium filter on it. And when you get your filter, they'll always have an airflow direction marked on them. This one's marked right here. This is a Ford factory filter. The link I'll give you to Amazon in the description box and the comment box. It would be more of a premium filter, but the airflow direction is always going to be down, so you always want the arrows down when you install your new one. Alright, it doesn't matter if you have the writing facing out or going in. Just make sure that arrow is pointing the correct way. So we're going to start by putting those feet, those slots there, and we'll just do that. Extremely simple. Come back over here, put the glove box back on its hinges. It just pretty much rests on there, and we're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could subscribe. That helped me a whole lot, and if you could, be so kind to leave a comment and hit the like button.